Hey, Lizzie here. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have for electricians and tech professionals, the Jonard Tools TK-110INS 11-piece insulated tool kit. This compact kit is designed for safety and efficiency, especially when working around live circuits. Inside, you'll find 11 essential tools, 7 screwdrivers, 3 pliers, and a wire stripper, all housed in a rugged, padded tool case. Let's break this kit down. The INP 1072 Lineman's Combo Pliers handle cutting, bending, gripping, and crimping of wires on poles and job sites, with full insulation for safety. For precise work in tight spaces, the insulated INP 2065 Long Nose Pliers deliver accurate bending, gripping, and cutting where detail matters most. When clean, flush cuts are needed, the insulated INP 3062 Diagonal Pliers provide fast, reliable cutting power. The insulated Phillips screwdrivers come in 3 sizes: INS 180 PH1, INS 2100 PH2, and INS 3150 PH3, providing safe and reliable screwdriving for electrical panels and equipment. The insulated cabinet slide screwdrivers are available in 4 sizes: INS 475 1/8, INS 4100 5/32, INS 6150 1/4, and INS 8175 5/16. Designed for safe and precise driving of slotted screws in electrical and cabinet applications. The insulated INP 4065 wire stripper efficiently removes insulation from various wire gauges, ensuring clean, precise stripping for electrical wiring. And finally, the TKC-110 tool case is made from PVC-coated 1680D polyester, offering durability and protection for your tools. Each tool is crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, ensuring maximum strength and durability. Safety is paramount, so these tools meet or exceed IEC 60900, ASTM F1500501, and VDE standards, tested to withstand up to 10,000 volts, and rated for live use up to 1,000 volts. Whether you're on the job site or handling tasks at home, the Jonard Tools TK-110INS kit is a reliable companion. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.